Sheffield Outdoors here. Sheffield Outdoors. So, what am I talking about? Anyways, so we're gonna do a little bit of a dip review here. I'm gonna try not to edit this video. I'm gonna do a little bit of a Kayak wintergreen. I don't know if y'all can see that, but personally, it's a cracked can. Normally, I just use an uncracked can for this video, but I'll get more up when I can. But this is the last bit of wintergreen and kayak that I have. A little bit, last bit of dip. Anyways, so yep, cracked can, as you can see, a little bit cracked there. Kind of a little bit of the label got torn off because the label's so cheap. The appearance, the label's like, it's really cheap plastic. I mean, well, paper, better yet. Normally I'm dipping Copenhagen longcut, but for this purpose, you know, we're dipping kayak. So, first impressions, the whole can is plastic. I don't like a full plastic can. You know, plastic cans, it sounds terrible. Just a cheap can. So why not? Let's pack a lip. Pack a lip here. I didn't pack all that great. Packability on this thing is terrible. Gotta pack it a couple times. I'm side packing it because it's so difficult to pack. Gosh, it's not packing well at all. Not packing well at all. Dang. It's not wanting to pack too well for me. You're gonna make fun of me saying I'm playing with my can, but I'm really not. Gosh. There we go. There's a good pack. There's a good pack. There we go. Y'all can see that there. Oh, well, over here. It's a good pack. A decent pack anyways. Turn on the light. If y'all can see that. No, if y'all can see that at all. Where's she at? I can't see because the light's like right on me. Shoot. There we go. That's better. So we're gonna pack a can here. We're gonna pack a lip. Pack a lip. Pack a little lip. So here we go. Call me an amateur if you want to. Ah, just foul. What the heck? All right. Oh wow, the packability on this stuff is terrible, y'all. Ugh. Not exactly recommended unless that's all you have. You only got $1 because this stuff is cheap, so. Jesus. Not packing too great. Not packing too great at all. Well, I guess that's going to have to work. So, here we go. We're going to take a little pinch. Take a little pinch here. Here we go. The wintergreen it's like wintergreen, but it's not like, you know, wintergreen. It's not the same as Copenhagen or Grizzly or anything like that, though. I just made boo-boo, so I'm gonna clean this up with a little bit of vacuum cleaner because it's. I have to wait till later. Anyways, so that being said, wintergreen is not, or kayak wintergreen. It's the texture is really weird. Like you can tell it's like really cheap dip. Because you got Copenhagen, Grizzly, and Skull. Out of all three of them, this stuff here, it's just another cheap dip, y'all. I dip it, but it's not like my everyday dip. Now, if it's the only kind I have, yes. If it's the only thing I have money for, yes, I will dip it. But normally, I don't exactly dip Kayak. I haven't tried Longhorn, or in other words, Shithorn. It's, you can tell it's 99 cents. Now, depending on where you are, it's probably not going to be the same price for you, but it's $1 up here down here in Georgia. So, if you really have the money for it, my go-to is Copenhagen. So, what I normally do, because it's like $5 for a can of Copenhagen, it's like $4.54, which adds up to like $5. But it's kind of like the texture is really, it's hard to describe. It's like a, I don't want to say it's waxy, but it is waxy. Definitely a fake texture to it. Unlike Copenhagen, Grizzly, and Skull, it's got like, it's a rough, they have more of a rougher texture to their dips. This is like, it's like waxy. I mean, it's not even, it's not even a real, try and get it on there. It's like a, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's not, it might not be. It's like a, they're really weird. It's got a really waxy, kind of like a black mulch thing to it. It's really weird. It's definitely black. That I can say good about Kayak is they always have the wintergreen. You can't go bad with a Kayak wintergreen. Flavor wintergreen wise, it's not bad. Texture wise, it's terrible. Now, it doesn't compete with Skull, Grizzly, or Copenhagen, but I mean, heck with it. If $1 is all you got, heck with it. Go for it. Wintergreen. Now, my past experience was with Kayak. I normally do pick up wintergreen, but I have tasted straight. I don't like the straight. I don't. Well, I'll dip a straight dip, but not Kayak straight. It's don't do it. I mean, if you want to, go ahead, but personally, I didn't like it. That and apple. Ugh. Some people might say Kayak apple is alright, but no. It's like, it tastes like, it tastes like a little bit of, it tastes like a little bit of a hickory. I don't know why. It's like a smoky hickory, artificial, strawberry chapstick. I don't know where in apple dips I get strawberry chapstick. Even Skull Apple, I get a strawberry chapsticky taste. I don't know what it is. Put in the comments if y'all think it does too, because, it tastes like strawberry chapstick. I don't know what it is. But, the Skull Green Apple, it's more of an apple. It's tolerable. Now, I'm not big on flavor dips, but the first really fruity flavored dip I've ever had was Skull Apple, and I was like, this is good. It smells like apple. Kayak apple doesn't even smell like kayak apple. Or apple at all. Kayak apple. The heck am I talking about? Definitely smells like kayak. Ugh. Now, when I get some better dips, like, I'll do some dip reviews for y'all, like, Copenhagen Long Cut Original, Copenhagen Snub, Copenhagen Southern Blend. My everyday dip would have to either be Copenhagen Long Cut Southern Blend or Copenhagen Long Cut Original. Those are my two favorites so far. I like Copenhagen Mint. Copenhagen Long Cut Mint's not bad. Copenhagen Long Cut Snuff is... Long Cut Snuff. What the heck? Not Copenhagen Long Cut Snuff. What am I talking about? Copenhagen Snuff. It's in other words, AKA sand. It's pretty good. Really natural flavor, original flavor to it. I'm gonna try not to extend this video too long. But anyways, so guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I didn't edit this video for reasons. Sorry if the video quality was not that great. Videoing on my phone. So I have a camera, but you know, that's too much to do right now. I'm feeling pretty lazy. Just got back from a camping trip. Caught a whole bunch of catfish and caught a big old 20-pound turtle, snapping turtle. God, that thing was huge. So like, comment, subscribe to the channel for future videos. Try and get this video up to at least 20 likes. That's a goal. Start setting goals for likes. And yeah, if you haven't, seen my 12 gauge video, go check that out. If you're a new viewer, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now. So see you next time on Sheffield Outdoors.